Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process how to install Windows 10, and in this process you need a USB flash drive of minimum 8 GB of space. So without wasting your time, let's start. First, you need to create a USB bootable pen drive of Windows 10. So for this, open your browser and type Windows 10, press enter. Now click on the first URL of Microsoft, download Windows 10 disk image. Now scroll down and here you will see the option create Windows 10 installation media. Click on this option, download tool now. So the process has been started. Now click on this software media creation tool. Click on this software to run this software. Now you will see this window, Windows 10 setup. Now you have to wait. Now after waiting for 1 or 2 minutes, you will see this window. Click on accept. Now here you will see these two options, upgrade this PC now and create an installation media USB flash drive. So if you want to upgrade your PC, you can select this option, but we are going to create a USB flash drive, bootable flash drive of Windows 10. So we'll go for this option, create installation media, then select this option and then click on next. Now you can select the language and you can also select the system bit. So I will go for 64-bit, then click on next. Now there are two options, USB flash drive, and you can see the line here. It needs to be at least 8 GB. So your USB pen drive will be at least 8 GB. And if you want to download Windows 10 ISO image, you can select this option. So for now, we are going to create a bootable installation media. Go for this one, USB flash drive, click on next. Now you have to connect your USB pen drive with your system. So I connected my USB pen drive. As you can see, this is the USB pen drive I have. So before we start, I will show you my USB pen drive. I will refresh this page. And here you can see this is my USB pen drive of 8 GB. First, if you have any data in your USB pen drive, take the data backup. Okay. And after that, format this USB pen drive. Right click on your USB pen drive. Then click on format. Then click on start. Click on OK. So this will format your pen drive. Complete it, click on OK, close this. So your pen drive is formatted. Now after that, click on this option, refresh drive list. So it will automatically detect your USB pen drive. As you can see my pen drive here. After that, click on next and the process has been started. This will take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and this will create a bootable USB pen drive of Windows 10. So for the time being, I will fast forward this video. So the process has been completed. Your USB flash drive is ready. Now click on finish. And after that, unplug your pen drive. So your USB bootable pen drive of Windows 10 has been ready now. So this is my Windows 10 bootable pen drive which I created. Now I will show you how to boot from your pen drive. So this is my laptop. First I will connect my pen drive. So I'm using a Dell laptop. In Dell laptop you can use this F12 key to boot menu, to open your boot menu. So first turn on your laptop. And within a second, start pressing this F12 key continuously. And if you're using a HP laptop, in that case you can use F12 or escape key. So continuously press F12 key to open a boot menu, and here you can see the boot mode. This is the boot menu. Now you have to select this USB storage device option. As you can see, this is my USB pen drive which I connected with my laptop. So I will select this option, USB storage device, press enter. Now your laptop will boot from your USB pen drive. So you have to wait for few seconds. This is my pen drive. Now you have to wait for few seconds. And here you can see this is the Windows startup. And now I will show you how to install Windows 10. Click on next, then click on install now. Now here you can select the Windows edition. So I will go for Windows 10 Pro, then click on next. Now tick this option. I accept the license terms, then click on next, then click on custom, the second option. And here you can see this is my hard drive of 240 GB. So what I will do is I will delete all the partitions and I will create a new partition. So first I will select the first partition, then I will click on delete. I will delete all the partitions one by one, and I will show you how to create a new partition. So as you can see the unallocated space, and this is my 240 GB hard drive. So I will create a new partition. So select the unallocated space, then click on new. So I will create a single partition. So I will do not change anything. Simply click on apply. OK. So my partition has been created. Then click on next to start the installation. And this process will take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete. So I will fast forward this video. So the installation is almost completed. Now you have to customize your operating system. Select your region, then click on yes. Then click on your keyboard layout. Click on yes. You can skip this option. Click on skip. Now here you have two options, personal or for organization. I will go for personal use. Click on next. Now you have three options to sign in. First, if you already have a Microsoft account, simply enter your details, then click on next. Or you can also create a Microsoft account with the help of this option, create an account. Or you can also create an offline account. So I will go for the offline account. So I will select this option, offline account. Click on this option, limited experience. Now enter your login username. So I will type tech white. Click on next. Now set your password. So I will set my password, confirm my password, click on next. Now set the security questions for emergency login, then click on next. Click on this option, not now. Now you can select the privacy options, privacy settings for your device, then click on accept. You can skip this option, so click on skip. So finally the installation has been done. Now I will show you the properties. So as you can see, Windows 10 Pro. So this is how you can install Windows 10 on your laptop or desktop. This is all for the video. Thank you.